Is your product management team hitting its targets, or are they the bottleneck? You're running an organization that generates hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue each year, either in B2B or B2C markets, yet you're constantly dealing with the same frustrating problems. Your product teams are focused inwardly, stuck in a feature factory because they aren't regularly interviewing, listening to, or problem solving with your customers. Your product strategy is undermined by fragmented processes that kill accountability. And your product, engineering, UX, and cross-functional teams are often misaligned, wasting resources and slowing growth. The problem isn't your product people, it's your product process. I'm Aaron Videtto, and I'm not a career consultant. I've been in your chair. For over 20 years, I've been a product and customer experience executive and a GM leading global product management teams across both B2B and B2C companies like Citrix, Wolters Kluwer, and Pitney Bowes. I've managed $100 million P&Ls, spearheaded global digital transformations, and turned around failing businesses. I know what it takes to build a high-performing product organization because I've built them, run them, and turned them around for significant revenue growth. I've started a consulting firm focused on one thing: maturing and transforming product organizations. I don't just accelerate, I diagnose the gaps and instill the disciplined process necessary for your team to become truly customer-centric, data-driven, and focused exclusively on long-term business value, not just features. I don't offer a generic service. I start with a comprehensive executive-level audit of your voice of the customer integration, organizational accountability, and most importantly, your stage gate and org-wide portfolio planning process. This audit is the foundation. It leads directly to decisive, pragmatic actions, not lengthy reports. I then work directly with your VPs and directors through intensive workshops and ongoing coaching to embed the kind of common sense leadership and accountability that drives ownership. If your growth is stalled because your teams are inwardly focused, you have fragmented processes, or misaligned teams, you need more than just a consultant. You need a product executive. Stop managing products and start dominating your market. I am ready to bring my direct C-suite experience to end the internal friction, replace your feature factory with a value engine, and set your organization on the path to scalable, profitable growth. Click the link below and let's get started.